Yeah, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Salesforce real-time scenarios. In the previous video, we discussed about to the um how we are going to get the account related contacts information, and we can able to display that information into the data table, and user can able to select the any one of the contact. That was we are implemented in the last video. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the third use case. So third use case is the here that account related open cases we need to display. So and the same thing, user can able to select the only one open case. Let's see how we are going to implement this one. So before going to the implement, we can create it by the some cases for this account. Click on to the new. So this is the new status I am giving some origin. So I am giving by the subject is the test or Abhignya case one. I am giving to this one. So description is the we are giving by the some information to the here, or we can ignore. We can give it by the latter. So click on save and new. So another one is the working origin something I'm giving. Subject is the I'm giving to the Abhignya case 2. Save and new. One more I'm creating the here third one something working. Yeah, case 3. So now this account contains the 3 cases. Let's see how we are going to fetch it by the 3 cases. Let's come to the subflow. After this get contacts, we need to get it by the this account related cases, right? So that's why here click on to here, get again, get records, get case records, or get sorry, get account details, sorry, case details. So now object is the case. So which records this account related, right? Same like, so account ID equals to get account ID. So we are fetching the what are the account we are selecting, right? Which the records, right? That account related cases. So now here we have to get it by the one or more, right? That's why here we have to select by the all the records. Each account might be contain one or more open cases that we have to get it. That's why here we have to select by this one. Initially here we are getting by the all the cases. In the next use case also we have to the closed case also we have to display. That's why here we have to get it by the all the case records irrespective of the status first. So as for this use case, we have to display by the only for the open cases. Open cases nothing but the which cases is the not closed, right? So that's why here we have to take it by the one decision. So here decision is the status case status. So it is the case open, means it's not closed, first one. So how to identify the status? Sorry. This is the before that actually we need to loop the one by one record, right? Here we are getting the multiple records, right? Sorry, first we have to loop the records. So here we have the loop the records. So loop the case records. So collection is the we are getting the cases, right? This is the loop the records. One by one record is the coming, right? So this is decision is the we can give it by the here. Let's cut it by the here. All the paths. So here we can give it by the here. So first we need to loop the one by one record, right? It is the list to write. That's why here we can loop the record. Master record is coming. Here we have to decision now. Current record. Current loop record. Which is the current record is coming now? That record. Status not equals to closed. So not equal to closed, nothing but it is the open, right? It is the open. Now one more outcome here we have to take it. It is the case is closed. So here case current record, right? Loop, which one is the current record? Status equals to closed. Okay, this is the decision. If it is the decision, so before going to decision, we need to loop the list of the case record. That's why initially I'm taking by the one loop. Each loop, it is coming to the one by one case record. This is the contains the one or more case records. It is the combination of the open case and closed cases. It is written by the this one. But now here, as per the requirement, open cases is the separate table, closed case is the separate table. We need to showcase to the user. That's why here we have to take into the here by the decision. In this decision, we are taken by the open cases come to this side, closed cases come by this side. So let's take to the open cases is come to this side now. Let's take to the one assignment here. So we are going to hold the all the open cases. Okay. So here set open cases. Let's take by the one variable. Click on to the here variable open case records. Open case records. So let's select by the here records, right? We are holding, and each account contains the one or more open case record. That's why here we have to select by the allow the multiple. Each account contains, now you have to observe it, we are created with 3 open cases. So that's why here we have to take it by the one or more open cases. That's why here allow to the multiple values. Now which object? This is the case object, right? Let's select by the case. So we have to select by the available for output. Click on done. Click on done. Click on to the equal to the here. We can take it by the add method. One by one it is coming, right? That's why add the here. We have to take it by the current case record. So current item from the loop. So this is the current case record we are adding to the here. I am not selecting by the any value here. Why? Because we can add it by the all the open cases to the this variable. So click on done here. Click on save as. Click on save this. Activate this. So let's come to the here. Refresh by the this main flow. Let's come to the here. So we have to display by the open cases. That's purpose. We have to taken by the one section. As for that, we have to able to create by the new case information also, right? That's why here I'm taking by the another section. This section is the case details. So here we have the 2 columns. It will give it by the more compared to the this one. We have to the less portion for the this one. This is the 4 by 2. This is the 8 by 12 we are given. So now in this data table, same like. So we have to display it by the open cases data table. Okay. So this is the label is the open cases. Let's take by this one. So here source. What is the our source? Come to the subflow. In the subflow, click on to the result. Now here you have to observe contact records and open case. Both are the list type, right? That's why it is appear by the both. Now we have to display it by the open cases. So click on to this. So they can able to search by the with the contact, case. That's why here we are given by the search bar as well. Here appear by the search bar. And rows, as for the requirement, user can select the only one open case. Only one open case. That's why here we can select by the single. We can give it by the single. Okay. So next to come to the here columns. In these columns, we have to display it by the case number. Done. And created date and status they are asked. So that's why here we have to take it by the created date and status. Click on to the done here. Okay, so click on to the done. Click on to the save. Click on to the activate. So let's run this. So by default it is appear. So this one also don't want to appear, right, by default. So what we have to do, let's come to the here. This section also we can give it by the when the account is the found only, right? So that's why set visibility by this section, add all. So here we come to the subflow. In the subflow result, account record not found, false. Right, if account record is the not found false only, we need to display it by the this section as well. So click on done. Click on save as. Click on save. Now run this. Now you have to observe it is not appear by that section now. Now I am going to give it by the phone number. So get details. See here, account information will be populated, contacts information populated. Now open cases information is the populated. They can able to search by the particular case record. This is the search on the list. And here what are the open cases for this particular account? It will be the populated by the here. And one more, they can able to select by the any one of the case only, any one of the case only. This is the separate section. This is the separate section. They can able to hide and show by the sections as well. Okay. I hope it's clear how we are implemented for this one. In the next video, we can discuss about the how to display by the closed cases. Stay tuned. Thank you.